Poverty. It's all around us. Wealthy or poor, state-run welfare system or not, the average poverty rate among the 35 OECD members has barely changed between 2007 and 2014. Our question is simple. How can we take these existing systems that spend billions of dollars on poverty and use them in more efficient, effective, and innovative ways? Our idea applies mostly to countries with an existing welfare system, but we hope to further develop it to fit other types of political or government systems as well. So, what is the problem? Governments today spend billions of dollars in welfare payments while constantly and ineffectively trying to reduce these costs by funding different intervention programs. But these programs are problematic. First, they tend to be ineffective because they don't address the various underlying causes of poverty. Second, many of them are financed through charity and volunteer work, which leaves them reliant on external sources and unsustainable in the long run. Finally, the more time people remain in a state of poverty, it gets harder and harder for them to get out of it. What is our solution? Our solution attacks the problem before it even becomes one by preventing poverty from happening in the first place. We strive to achieve this goal through a creation of a poverty prevention social bond. We aim to act as an intermediary between different parties involved in poverty prevention and facilitate better cooperation between them than exists today. This collaboration usually contains three parts. The first is an organization that specializes in poverty prevention and can be for profit or not for profit. The second part is the government, which needs to agree to a pay-per-success model with predetermined standards agreed upon in advance. In this model, the government will pay a portion of its savings accrued by the implementation of prevention program that will cover the cost of the program and the ROI for the investors. The third part is the financing part, which is comprised of investors willing to make a risky investment that generates return dependent on relative savings generated for the government. All of this together will create a poverty prevention social bond, which we hope will reduce poverty rates. Thank you for listening.